Alright, how is everybody doing today? Welcome back to another video, and today what I have for everyone is a microphone test for the microphones on the Google Pixel Buds A series. Alright, so today in this video I'm going to give y'all two audio sample tests coming directly from the buds themselves, or the microphones on the buds themselves. So one test is going to be an ideal noise environment test, which is basically what you have here. And then another test is going to be with simulated crowd noise, which is what I have pulled up on my Roku in the background. I'm going to show y'all B-roll when we get to that, okay? So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So starting off the test here, here's what the microphones sound like coming from the Pixel Buds A series in an ideal noise-free or as close to noise-free environment as I can get it. So hopefully this should sound really, really good. Alright, I'm just talking at a normal volume, at a normal cadence, and I'm not really trying to yell or anything like that, not really trying to project my voice like that. This is just my normal speaking volume. Alright? So this is what the microphones sound like in the ideal noise-free or as close to noise-free as I can get it environment here. Okay? Okay. Now, I got some crowd noise pulled up in the background, as I said, and I just want to play it, and I'm going to continue to talk at my normal volume, okay? Now, for reference, I do have the TV volume set to 18%, okay? Okay, so let's see how it does. So let me go ahead, let me restart it first of all. Yeah, let me restart it. I let it run all the way to 15 while I was trying to set the video up. Yeah, all right. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. All right. Now, let me go ahead and push play. And let's see how it does. All right. So I'm just going to let it play for a little bit. Okay. Like 10 seconds. All right. That should do it. Now, I'm just going to talk at my normal volume. So, this is an idea of what the Pixel Buds A series microphones sound like in a simulated cloudy or noisy environment. So, hopefully, the microphones are doing a good job of isolating my voice over the ambient or surrounding sounds. Alright? Hopefully, it's doing a good job. I won't know until I check the playback. Let me know what y'all think. Alright? So, yeah, and again, I'm talking at a normal volume, normal cadence. How's it doing? Okay? Alright, that should do it. That should do it. We'll pause this now. Okay? And now we're back to the ideal noise-free environment. Okay? So this has been just a real quick microphone test of the onboard microphones for the Google Pixel Buds A series. Alright? Now, before I get up out of here, let me just give y'all some background information, because y'all know I'm all about keeping it straight 100 around here. So, this video here today was recorded using the rear-facing primary 12 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10e. This was recorded in 720p at 30 FPS, and we do have Bluetooth audio hooked up. Okay, now I'm going to throw up the B-roll in post so y'all can see exactly how I set this up. And this one was a little bit weird because it didn't work like any other Bluetooth earbuds. Okay, and I'm gonna explain what happened. So typically what I do, and this is why I like Samsung devices. This is why Samsung devices are typically what I use for recording all of my YouTube content, or all of my professional content when I go out in the field. Typically what I do, and I'm going to put the B-roll up now, is I connect the earbuds to my device, right? So you can see it's connected. Then I launch into the cameras on my device, in this case we would use the stock Galaxy camera application. Then I would go all the way over to Pro Mode. Inside of Pro Mode, the Pro Mode Galaxy camera application gives you the ability to record Bluetooth audio with your Bluetooth connected device, right? So typically when I go in there, it gives me the three options. It gives me the Omni audio for on-device audio. It gives me wired audio for when I plug in microphones. And it gives me Bluetooth audio for Bluetooth connected audio. And you can see when I went in there, it wouldn't work. I'm like, okay, what? No, what? So at that point, I'm like, okay. So I paused it and I went and I was checking the settings. All the settings are the same as what I do for all of my other Bluetooth earbud audio tests. I checking the settings. I went and got some other earbuds, disconnected the Pixel Buds, got some other earbuds, connected those, made sure it was connected, went in there, it showed up, okay? And I got the live feedback, so I know it was working. So I'm like, okay. Went back to the Pixel Buds A's, connected it, disconnected the other earbuds, turned it off, made sure it was connected, went back in there, tried to click on it, it wouldn't work. So I'm like, oh my goodness, what is going on here? I even went so far as to, start playing a video, because sometimes it doesn't click over with the audio and the microphones until you start playing a video. So you'll see in my B-roll that I actually have a YouTube video that I was playing that I paused. So I did that, the audio clicked over, went back in there, didn't work. So I'm like, what is going on here? What is going on here? But there is a saving grace, because this is why I have another application, the 4K Camera Pro application, and this forces Bluetooth audio from connected earbuds. So y'all can see I'm going to restart the B-roll now, because I cut out all that extra stuff when I was diving through the settings. I don't want to make these videos too long. But I fired up that application, jumped into the settings, made sure all the Bluetooth settings was correct, made sure it was set to Bluetooth output, and then I just pushed record. So I'm sorry that this microphone test is going to be a little bit longer than usual, but I wanted to just give y'all a little bit of backstory here. I haven't had to struggle with connecting or getting Bluetooth audio from earbuds in quite some time. Like, I've been doing these Bluetooth microphone tests for a year and a half now, and I haven't had any issues. My process for doing this has become very seamless and straightforward. So when I ran into this issue, I just wanted to make sure that it was documented. Alright? And y'all know I always keep it straight 100 with y'all, so I just had to let y'all know the issues that I ran into. But hopefully y'all found this video helpful. If you did, you know what to do, okay? As always, if you like to see more content like this, you know what to do as well. I hope everyone is having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. We are out of here. Have a good one, everybody. Peace. Oh, also, all the relevant links, affiliated links, links to other coverage, and all that good stuff will be linked up down below in the video description, as it always is. You know my video descriptions are pretty much jam-packed with everything that you need. So all the links to everything that you would need, if your interest is piqued, will be available down below in the video description, including affiliated links, meaning that when you use those links, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I put back into the channel that I use to keep producing content at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So that's what I call a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. Okay, we are out of here. Man, this microphone test got super long. I'm so sorry, y'all. Have a good one, everybody. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace.